Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this Apple Watch Hermès watch band. So this one is the single tour deployment buckle with a stainless steel buckle. And this is what the packaging looks like for the 45mm watch Noir deployment buckle, designed by Apple in California, assembled in France. So this definitely looks, the orange really pops. Definitely not like the other Apple Watch bands. Here we go. Let's do this. Wow, feels so premium. Okay. Wow, even the box has a really nice texture to it. You can't see it in the video, I don't think, but feeling it feels very nice. Here we go. Okay. Wow, this is like really nice material for this Apple Watch band. Wow, this is very premium feeling. Okay, open it up. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I think this is just, let me see, show you all. This is a really nice feeling pouch. Designed by Apple in California and Hermès in Paris. So that's a nice little touch for such an expensive watch band. Shows you how to attach the band, how to squeeze the tabs to release the clasp, how to adjust everything. So you can check this out if you need it. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Wow. Wow. There's the clasp. This definitely feels very, very premium. Stainless steel. Has the Hermès logo up here. Leather feels ultra premium. Yeah. This looks really nice. This end over here. Looks like that. Let's see what this says over here. Hermès Paris bracelet made in France. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, definitely smells and feels like real leather. All right, there you have it. That's an unboxing experience of a super premium watch band. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below, and I'll drop a link on where I got this from. All right, everyone, hope you're all doing well. Check the link in the description for where I got this from, and see you all next time. Later.